I'm gonna do some deep frying today with this beautiful beef tallow from Brooksie Company, 100% food grade, natural. We're right here in the deep fryer, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna do some homemade curly fries. We're gonna cut these fries on, this was my grandmother's antique French fry cutter. Been in the family since I've been a little kid. But yeah, this is how we do it here. Move that out of the way. And we just turn it like a crank. And look, it just cuts those curly fries just perfect. Like beautiful braids of hair. But we're gonna cut these fries up and then we'll get them over to the cooker. All right, so I've got the tallow back up to temperature now. I like to get it around 370. I just wish y'all could smell this wonderful aroma coming off this natural beef tallow. Then I like to put my fries in. So it's gonna cool it down quite a bit. Watch that as it bubbles up. And if it spills over just a little bit, no problem at all. But we're gonna let that fry here just for a few minutes and I'll be right back to y'all. So notice how that temperature's dropped down to about 282. That's fine. Again, I just keep it going. Oh yeah, let me get, I got some tongs over here. Let's kind of flip the batch around just a little bit and that color is just coming out. Don't take long with these, y'all. You don't want to walk away with them. Oh yeah, look how beautiful they're getting down there on the bottom. Keep them all just, there we go. Almost done, y'all. All right, y'all, they got just the right color on them now. I'm gonna call them done. We'll let them drip dry here just for a second. Now what I like to do, hit them with a little bit of seasoning I like to use on my French fries. It's a mixture of Cavengers, little garlic powder, salt, pepper, stuff like that. But yeah, get them seasoned up. They're gonna be delicious. Love that natural beef flavor. Just a hint in those fries. Wow.